Hello, we are Group 10 and we're going to go through the process of evaluating a red wine sample. It's a pretty important process to make sure the wine is up to snuff for different customers, and normally it's a process under the cover of the quality control department.
So first thing, we get a sample of red wine from our local winery. Then we visualize, inspect color and give it a classification. Next, we give it good whiff and classify the aroma. Then comes the fun part. We taste the wine and evaluate its taste and aftertaste, giving it a classification.
Once we've got those classifications down, we do one final evaluation to determine the overall quality of the wine, and then we record everything in an evaluation part.
This is our process mapping. We bought 10 wine samples from different sales platforms. In the process, factors such as color, smelling and tasting are considered and graded, and an overall evaluation is output for consumers' reference. Let's start with the measure part. First of all, we made QFD. The column on the left is the intuitive feeling of the customers when they drink. The attributes above are the various factors summarized in the process mapping and the degree of influence between them. Next we will collect data to analyze the various attributes.
I think it is best.
So by conducting this experiment, we are doing a Excel table for the testers. Okay, so there's total 10 samples here, and for different temperatures we have one set of data, and each testers will make a score of the each parameters, including color, body, tannin levels, acidity, alcohol, and smell.
In the analyze part, we control some parameters and text to get the data and analyze it.
In this case, we control the temperature of the wine. We're going to lower it to 5 degrees. And the other one is the range of prices. We took a range of 50 to 100 Hong Kong dollar.
And the second thing we focus is the appearance. What is the important things for the wine's appearance?
In this case, we need to check the color and the opacity of the wine. If we can read through it, it's a younger wine, and also the tannins are really low in comparison that this one from the right, or should be that way.
The third thing we focus is the smell.
In this case, we're going to focus in if it's lighter or strong, the smell of each of these wines.
Say something.
You need to wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Just to check the body.
So the first criteria parameter is the body.
The body. And if you check here, we have what we call leg.
Leg.
That is the drop, how slow or fast it's going. Okay, so with that we measure the body. If we check these two are completely too fast compared with this one, that is not even starting on the drops.
So maybe the density or the residual sugar is a little bit higher than another two samples.
Yeah. This is more watery.
Watery. Okay.
And the final part is the taste. The taste is fun and important.
In this part, what?
Then we start to analyze. First of all, we made a fishbone diagram and sorted out various factors, trying to find out which factors are the most important to improve the taste of red wine. We believe that color, body, and tannin level may be important influence, and then we did the DOE analysis. The results of Minitab's regression analysis are shown in the figure. The whole model is statistically significant, indicating that the independent variable color itself, as well as the three interactions among color, body, and tannin level play a significant role in explaining the variance of the dependent variable. The goodness of fit of this model is 70.48%, indicating that independent variables can explain most of the dependent variables, but the adjusted goodness of fit is low, and there may be some factors not considered. Therefore, consumers can consider factors such as color, body, and tannin level when buying red wine, so as to improve and control the taste quality of red wine.